YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400 suction side pool cleaner. We are going to tear this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut. This is the AquaNaut 400. This is their 4-wheel cleaner. It'll also work with the Hayward AquaNaut 450, which happens to be the trade version of this exact same cleaner. So as you guys can tell, I've got the cleaner stripped down to pretty much just the frame. So if you guys want to know how we got to this point, you guys want to make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll have a playlist there for you guys that'll walk you guys through tearing this thing apart from the outside in. For today's video, you will need to follow the main video of removing the main turbine in order to get access to these 3 gear sets located here towards the front of the cleaner. In order to push the axle out and actually replace the gears, you do need to remove that turbine, their whole turbine 6 vane kit. So again, make sure you guys check out that video first in order to remove all of those parts in order to get access in here for these 3 gears. So as you guys can tell, there's just 3 gears left in the cleaner here. These are just 3, basically they're like intermittent gears. You'll have your left drive kit with your cam back here, and then other gears that are actually going to drive with the turbine. So these are there to assist in those gears actually moving. So in order to remove them, and once you guys take the vane kit out, the actual turbine out, grab you guys a small Allen wrench, whatever works for you guys. You want something that will slide in to be able to actually punch out the pins on the cleaner. So these axles are what are holding those gears together. And the only way you can actually punch it out is if you're punching it from the inside towards the outside of the frame. So that's why you do have to remove that turbine. Otherwise, the turbine's right in your way. You can't get in there with the Allen wrench in order to get the certain force that you need to push that center shaft out. So again, this is a brand new cleaner, so it's a little bit more difficult to get that center pin out. For yours, it may be easier just because of the age of the cleaner, but if you have to do anything in terms of smacking or using some sort of a hammer or banging something, you guys want to make sure that you guys are on a flat surface like I am here, away from the pool, and avoid trying to actually hit any of the plastic on the frame, because if you smack the plastic on the frame and you break something on that, you're going to have to replace the cleaner. So just be gentle. But once you guys got your Allen wrench, you're going to actually slide it into that center hole, and you're going to kind of keep trying to give it a little push where you'll actually feel that axle start to slide out. So as you guys can see here, the axle has broke loose and it actually fell out of the cleaner. So here's your axle pin that slid through. I actually was able to push it out, and then you can go ahead and take out your 3 gear sets all at once. Again, these are available directly from our website, so you guys can check out the links in the description and take you guys to go purchase those. It will come with a new shaft, so if something happens in the process of getting the axle shaft out, it will come with a new axle shaft, which is nice. So I always suggest keeping them just in case you guys, a lot of these are the same size inside the cleaner, so if something else happens or one of these other ones break, that way you guys always got a spare. So always keep like a little bag around with all your extra parts just to be able to, fix and do what you need to. So again, these are like the 3 idle gears. It's going to help assist in those other main gears that we discussed in the other videos, but they do wear down just as much as the other plastic gears, especially with usage, chlorine, chemicals in the pool. All of the above are going to wear down these gears. So when you guys are replacing inside gear stuff, I would suggest kind of doing it all together. That way you have everything evenly wearing over time, and you're not having to retake this thing apart every time to be able to get access to those gears. So again, just want to show you guys a quick fix video on removing those last 3 gears that we got here in the cleaner. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have more quick fix videos, in the field videos, what's in the box videos for you guys across all the different cleaners and all the other parts out there in the market. So until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.